Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Update RapidVPN and ensure your device OS meets minimum requirements. Once done, open the app and grant network and VPN configuration permissions so the tunnel can be created. You should sign in now using your account credentials or paste the activation token. This avoids interruptions later. Make sure to enable auto-reconnect if offered. By starting here, you reduce connectivity issues and speed up the next steps, where you pick servers and fine-tune security. You now select the right server and protocol for your goal. If you want speed, pick a nearby WireGuard server. For broader compatibility, use OpenVPN. Once you connect, enable the kill switch so traffic stops if the VPN drops. This preserves privacy. If needed, configure split tunneling to keep trusted apps direct and route sensitive apps through the VPN. Also set DNS leak protection and a private DNS when available. These choices balance performance and security as you continue. You finish by tapping connect and watching the status indicator become active. This confirms the tunnel is live. If the connection fails, first switch protocol or pick another server, because routing or protocol mismatches are the most common causes. Once tried, restart the app or your device to clear transient network states. If problems persist, collect diagnostics from the app settings and contact support. One key tip: turn off battery saver or aggressive background limits, as they often break.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.